Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Locke. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to write some of our letters. First, Mrs. Locke has a little board here, and I've tried to make our special paper. For example, here's the Skyline at the top, the Pane Line, the grass line, and then way down here is the worm line. Okay. So our first letter that we're going to try to write today is the letter O. And this was in our second packet. O says ah. And it also is one of those letters called a vowel. And besides making the ah sound, it also says O. It says its name. Now, we have an uppercase letter O and a lowercase letter O. And you can tell that the lowercase o looks just like the uppercase, it's just smaller. So, first thing we do when we write our letters, we point at the top because we all know letters start at the top. Are you ready? The top, the top, the top, cha-cha. Letters start at the top, cha-cha. The top, the top, the top, cha-cha. Letters start at the top, cha-cha. And if you're wondering, look, it's the old lady that swallows stuff. She's, like she swallowed a bat and a book and a bell and some snow, and she came home from school and Mrs. Locke is hanging out with her. So she's looking to swallow some letters. Okay, so we're going to, with the letter O, we're going to start at the top. And look, Mrs. Locke is using her pinchers. And I'm going to start at the top. For the O, I'm going to point to the skyline here. I'm going to start at the skyline, and I'm going to curve back just a little bit. I'm going to come down. I'm going to sit my O on the grass line, and then I'm going to curve back up and close it on the skyline. And there's an O. And if you notice an O, well, it kind of looks like an Easter egg, doesn't it? Or an oval. Oh, the shape oval starts with O. Now for the lowercase o, I'm going to come over here to the plane line, and I'm going to use my pinchers and pinch the end of my marker here, and I'm going to curve back and come down to the grass line and come back up and close my O up right on the plane line. So there we have uppercase O, lowercase o. O says ah. Very good, friends.